Hello everyone, hope everything is great with you and you are having an amazing day. Welcome to a new video where we learn how to create and use collections inside Premast Plus.
First of all, it's important to know that collections inside Premast Plus is a cloud storage for users to upload files and create their own library.
In this video we'll learn all about it, so let's jump to it. At my portal, we will find collections, where we can create new collection or upload new file. The user can upload files, image files in PNG, JPG and SFG, and they can also upload PowerPoint presentations. All the collections, folders and files are accessible inside PowerPoint. You just click on collections in the plugin and you find the collections and the file. Choose the item you want to use, click on it, and here it is. You'll find it added to choose from and use it. All folders and files in collections are shareable. You can share them with other people by inserting an email address or share via external link. That's it guys, everything you need to learn about collections. See you in another video where we learn something new about Premast Plus. Stay safe, bye!